in Bangladesh. Farooq, I don't know where I am. Please tell me how to go home. And he's like, okay, let me see. Where are you? He said, where are you? I don't know where I am. I gained my interest in the car from the game PS2, Need for Speed Underground. I gained my too much interest from that, and then he came to my life and he support me for everything, and we modify the car, and every time we modify any car, it all has been my choices, not his. He's just spent, I only choice. I have to do this one, that one. He said okay, and we put. From the Challenger, Chrysler also I modified that car also. From a red strips, it was also a black color. So it was also a red strip, and side also red, front also red, black and red. And then the black and yellow, the Dodge Charger, it was also my choice. I want to modify like this one. Center stripes and monster sticker and the side, because I am more into the modification. Not into the engine, but the modification, the lips, diffuser, the size ones, the front lip, like that. So my wild experience is like, I was going on Sharjah Cornish Road. I was having a Chrysler SRT. So I called my friend, he is having a Lexus IS 350. So I said him that, where are you? He said, I am in Ajman Cornish. I go, what are you doing there? He said, nothing, I am having my coffee and just chilling. I go, okay, come, let's race. He said, you want to race? I go, yes, I want to race with a Chrysler. I was like, okay, fine. He's like, okay, no problem. Where do you want to race? I go, in Sharjah Cornish Road, we will race there. He said, okay, there is 2-3 bumps, but I will go on that slow. I'll not go fast. I go, of course, yes, no problem. So we raced that night without telling him. And that time my mom is with me. She was with me. My mom said, are you okay, Maria? I go, yes, mom, I don't know, I just wanted to race. Because I never raced before. So I was like, okay. Then my mom told him, okay, Farooq, she did a race with like this. And he's like, Maria, I told you not to race the car without me. Why you race? And you're like, you don't know anything about the car much as I do. I was like, okay, no problem. Nothing happened. I was, alhamdulillah, nothing happened. I raced the car race, but I didn't want because the Lexus is Lexus. So I didn't want that time. This is the first wild night experience. The second, when I got my license, after 2-3 days, me and my sister went for I want to buy a DVD for watching a movie. So we went there. So there is one free ride. Okay, like I have to go on a main road. I am going right, you know. So I was watching there. Any car is coming or no? There is a bus. I didn't see what is behind the bus. There is one cycle Pathan coming. Okay, I didn't see him. I saw there is no car. I put accelerator and go, and that Pathan is on my hood. Jump. He fell down. And my car grill, the front grill was broken because his cycle, it's, tuck that, and its grill broken. But alhamdulillah, nothing happened to him. He was fine. His standing was there. He's standing up. There's nothing there. So in some time, more people will come, and a huge group is come there. So they asked what happened. I was like, I hit the man by mistakenly. So on that time, I didn't bring my license also. License was at home. I didn't bring my license. Alhamdulillah, but nothing happened. That guy, he was fine. He just pushes all the dirt, and he was like, I'm okay, I'm good. But the one guy, he came and I don't know what he told him in his ear. He said, take from her money. Say her you are hurt, you will get. Then he started to say, my cycle broken, I'm hurting here, give me 500 dirham. What? Why 500 dirham? Make her come and see my car, the grill is broken, who will give this? I said him like this, who will give this? No, okay, give me 200. Mega, why should I give you 200? Okay, no problem, go. I go, yeah, I'm going, I'm not giving you any 1 dirham for this. Because it's your fault, I know, but the police will give me, they will give me my fault, but still it's your fault, it's not my fault. I was going and you came behind the bus and just bumped into my car. And he was like, okay. So me and my girlfriends, we were out for going for ice cream. So I took the wrong turn. My license was really new, na? So I didn't know much of the roads. I'm born up here, but still I don't remember. I'm very bad with roads, very bad with roads. So we went out and we are with Kuwaiti hospital. front of that signal. And I don't know where are we. I call him in Bangladesh, Farooq, I don't know where I am. Please tell me how to go home. And he's like, how can I tell you? Where are you? Where are you? I don't know where I am. There is a hospital in front of me, but still, I don't know where I am. Just tell me how to get home. Then literally I stopped the taxi. I told my sister, go and tell him where is Annabba. This is my home and just leave me out there. We will pay you, no problem. My sister sit in the taxi. We went home by like this and pay home and following him. And then we reach home and I pay him. Okay, thank you. My opinion on the electrical cars, if you deny or no, it will come in the future. Right now they are also coming, but in the future they will get more facilities for the charging cars. So petrol will be finished in one time. The one time will come and the petrol will be finished, and all there is only just only electrical cars. So we cannot do anything about that, first of all. But still we have to live that way. Go with the flow. Yeah, actually the Dodge Middle East, they called us. They called actually me. They said they wanted to make a video of my car because they wanted to change the opinion, because whenever we talk about Dodge, all things it's a man in the Dodge. But when we listen the girl in the Dodge, it's a whole new thinking. So they said we want to make a video for that. We want to show that girls also can drive a Dodge. So it's like that. I called from that and they said they will call me again. So there was a drive, Ras Al Khaimah drive, a night drive. So when I put my burla out from my car, so I give to the Amit. So that day we are waiting for the waiting point at Wendy's petrol station. So there was a police, they was in the corner, but we cannot see if we'll see them. So the Amit came, he stand by with my car and he put his accelerator. So and his noise was like too much out of, because he put the pipe seam and he put some burla attack and something. So his voice is like, his noise like in all of the Dodges, his noise was much louder than any Dodge was there. So the police came and Amit went slowly. He went slowly. When he went slowly, the police came to me and asked me that, okay, who was he? I said, he's my friend. Then he said to me, give me your Mulkiya and license. So I gave him my Mulkiya and license, and then he said, I will give your fine. His fine to you. And I was like, why? I was like, no blank emotion, no emotion was there. And I was like, oh, why? Why he went? Why he didn't stop? Why he went? I said, he is going with us. You can come also with us. It's okay. Then he was like, no, I don't want. I will give you fine. And then after that, when he saw that I didn't saying anything, and then he said, okay, मैं मजाक कर रहा था. I'm just joking. You can go. I was like, okay, मैं ही तुम्हें मिली थी for the chit chat. Only I was the one he got me for the chit chat. And then we went to the drive, Ras Al Khaimah. We put our car there, we parked the car, and then we had our shisha and drinks and all. Then we start the car, my car doesn't start. When my car doesn't start, my battery was gone. My battery gone, then there was one person, Abdul. He tried to charge the car from his car, but my car was not taking any one point of the charging. So we went to the Ajman. From Ras Al Khaimah to Ajman, take the car battery from Ajman to wapas Ras Al Khaimah, put the car battery we came from the Ras Al Khaimah to Sharjah, buy a new battery, put the battery, have some nashta, and then went home in the 9 o'clock in the morning. I have upgraded in my car the air filter, burla attack, side skirts, front lip, back diffuser, and the mirror also. I have put one mirror thing also. And some stickers, monster sticker, stripes, side stripes, middle stripes, that's it. And then I removed my burla for the police, they told me. And the police told me also, if I catch you again with the burla, I will block your car for 6 months. This is a very good work. You call the people and they tell their stories, whatever they are having or whatever they have done in their life, they tell. This feel good. Yeah, like, acha, humne ye bhi kiya hai. Oh, I have done this also. Oh, I have done this also. And then we sit and remember the things we have done. And then, okay, this one also. Actually, you are doing a very great job, really. So, I will say that work hard. If you want to success your dream, you have to work hard.